Hi, I'm Komal Goyal and I manage the customer experience for SmartBiz by Amazon. Today I wanted to talk to you about some new powerful tools we have introduced to help brands create impactful online storefronts and drive better customer engagement. One of our biggest launches this year was Google Analytics integration, helping brands track website performance, optimizing their funnels, and improve market spend efficiency. We also launched themes and a DIY editor, enabling brands to personalize their website's appearance and reflect their unique identity effortlessly. Finally, we rolled out secret offers and product-level offers, giving brands new ways to attract customers and boost storefront conversions with personalized deals. These innovations have set the stage for a more engaging and a personalized shopping experience for customers across our platform. Looking ahead, our vision for 2025 is to expand this website curation suite even further and customize the overall storefront experience to drive even better conversions. Some exciting features on the roadmap include a library of 20 plus templates and 40 plus widgets, along with AI-powered website customization, category-level offers, and buy one get one deals. With these tools, brands will have everything they need to create stunning storefronts and deliver exceptional shopping experiences. Stay tuned for more updates and features and watch our channel for the latest insights on how we are reshaping the future of D2C commerce.